Hello guys, welcome to our channel Inspiring Minds. Today's question comes from Vishal and he is asking me what is the weightage of physics for the NEET exam. Hello Vishal, if you're watching this video. In this video we are going to discuss about the weightage of physics and also look for the important chapters of physics according to the marks distribution. So without wasting any time, let's get started. According to the analysis of the last 5 years NEET papers, the weightage is very high for chapters like mechanics, magnetism, EMI and AC combined, ray and wave optics. So let's first discuss these chapters. Let's start with mechanics. For AIPMT 13 and 14, total 32 marks of question came from this chapter. In AIPMT 15, it was for 48 marks. In NEET Phase 1 2016, the questions came for 36 marks, and in NEET Phase 2 2016, it came for 44 marks. Now let's move to magnetism, EMI and AC combined. In AIPMT 13, 24 marks of question came from this chapter. In AIPMT 14, it came for 16 marks. In AIPMT 15, it came for 12 marks. In NEET Phase 1, it came for 28 marks and in NEET Phase 2, it came for 24 marks. Finally, let's start with ray and wave optics. For AIPMT 13 and NEET Phase 2, total 24 marks of questions came from this chapter. For AIPMT 14 and 15, 20 marks of question came from this chapter, and for NEET Phase 1, it was for 16 marks. Now let's look at some other important chapters from physics. Starting with gravitation. In AIPMT 14 and NEET Phase 2, total 20 marks of question came from this chapter. In AIPMT 13 and NEET Phase 1, 24 marks of question came from this chapter, and in AIPMT 15, it was for 16 marks. Now let's move to current electricity. In AIPMT 13, 15 and NEET Phase 2 2016, total 16 marks of question came from current electricity. In AIPMT 14, 24 marks of question came from this chapter, and in NEET Phase 1 2016, it was for 12 marks. Now let's move to vector, unit and dimensions. In AIPMT 13, 14, NEET Phase 1 2016 and NEET Phase 2 2016, total 12 marks of questions came from this chapter, and in AIPMT 15, it was for 16 marks. Last but not the least, fluid and properties of the matter. In AIPMT 13, NEET Phase 1 and NEET Phase 2 2016, 12 marks of question came from this chapter. In AIPMT 14 and 15, 8 marks of question came from this chapter. I have also made a pie chart which has percentage-wise weightage for all the chapters of physics for your NEET exam. From analysis, it is observed that half of the physics paper is covered by mechanics, magnetism, heat and thermodynamics, ray and wave optics. By concentrating on these chapters, a student can not only cut off the barrier but can also hold a good rank in the NEET exam. I hope this video was helpful for you, Vishal. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and classmates so that they can get the same help. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe. I will be making more such videos for you in the future too.